How to create VK account on OmeTV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create VK account on OmeTV. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for OmeTV. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be shown with two options, that is continue with Facebook or continue with VK. So, since we want to create VK account on OmeTV, tap on the continue with VK option. In the pop-up that appears, if you already have a VK account, then go ahead and enter your email address or phone number that you have entered to register to VK and tap on continue. You can also quick login using your QR code. Simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera or on the VK app and log in further. And if you do not have a VK account to log in, then you can tap on the create new account option. You will then be asked to enter your phone number, so go ahead and enter the phone number and further follow the on-screen prompts to create a VK account, and this is how you can create VK account on OmeTV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.